most likely to text their ex at 3 a.m.? Who's most likely to catch feelings way too fast? Who's most likely to fall for someone toxic again? Who's most likely to have a secret situationship? Who's most likely to date two people at the same time? Who's most likely to get played but still go back? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am with two of my very good best friends. अपना नाम बताओ.
Yash.
Okay, his name is Harsh. So आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत ही interesting सा challenge, which is who's most likely to. So I have a set of questions in my phone and मैं वो questions बोलूँगी and then हमें इशारा करना है कि who is most likely to do that particular thing. Okay, are you guys ready?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Considerable life choice.
या इनको मैंने गन पॉइंट पे बोला है ये करने के लिए.
Consent नहीं है.
इन लोगों का कंसेंट नहीं है. Let's start without any further ado. If you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first question is, let's begin. Who's most likely to forget someone's birthday? Okay, that is me. I remember. मैंने अपनी बहुत ही इन दोनों के बाद भी एक मेरी हमारी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है सरीना, उसका बर्थडे मैंने मिस कर दिया था. सो ओके, दैट इज ऑन मी.
Now this is on record. She accepted it now.
या मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया था.
Forgot the birthday.
ये उसको पता भी है, ये बात उसको पता है. मैंने सॉरी मांग लिया था. ओके, नंबर 2.
मांग लिया था, उसने दिया नहीं.
Who is most likely to have the messiest room?
ठीक है, आई एम अ बीटेक स्टूडेंट, ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो मेरे पे टाइम ही नहीं है.
उसकी लाइफ ही मैच
ये-
हो तो मतलब
Exactly,
उसका रूम क्या साफ होगा.
एकदम सच बोल दिया इन्होंने. नंबर 3. Who is most likely to borrow something and forget to return it?
So
It's me.
This is on record.
Can you give us some backstory?
मैंने इससे कुछ पैसे लिए थे जो मैं शायद इसे कभी वापस नहीं करूँगा. सो या.
So proud of you. Amazing. Who is most likely to get jealous easily? I think-
Probably.
But I think ज़्यादा ये.
Out of the three probably me.
हाँ,
नन ऑफ अस.
ठीक
हम
है.
सब सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हैं.
Oh, I like this.
Who is most likely to text their ex at 3 a.m.?
Never
I
had
think
it.
none of
Never had it.
same, never had any, and none of us, right?
Nope, never.
Who's most likely to catch feelings way too fast?
Okay.
Probably me. I don't think so.
It is yes.
Like not very fast. My fast also is 6 months, 1 year. But they take even long.
Okay. Who's most likely to fall for someone toxic again? Not me.
Not me.
I have very nice friend of mine, so I don't think so that I will fall for someone toxic.
again? Okay, so none of us. Next question. Who's most likely to have a secret situationship?
Ooh, definitely her.
She never tells anything, no?
Definitely her.
My funda is keep it private until it's क्या था?
I don't know.
Permanent. Until it's permanent.
No, that's
Situationships कब से परमानेंट होने लग गए? मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आता.
goal.
Who's most likely to date two people at the same time?
None of us. None of us.
This is controversial.
Controversial opinion नहीं, but ये भी ऐसा नहीं है. इसने कभी
Would he do it? He would call one as dating and the other one as.
nah.
नहीं, ये ऐसा नहीं है, ये ऐसा नहीं है.
कब मान लिया दिल्ली से हूँ, पर इतना गया गुजरा नहीं हूँ.
Next. Who's most likely to read old messages and cry?
That's Serena. That's none of us. That's
She lives
Serena.
in nostalgia.
Yeah, she lives in nostalgia. सरीना, अगर तू ये देख रही है, हम तुझे अभी भी याद रख रहे हैं, देख
She
ले.
brings out any argument. She will bring this also someday and say you did it without me.
मेरा फास्ट था
पक्का
और
Serena.
तुम लोग गए. तुमने मेरे बिना वीडियो बना के
वीडियो बना दी.
This would come. मेरे बच्चों के सामने आ सकती है ये बात.
Next. Who's most likely to send mixed signals on purpose?
मुझे डायरेक्ट.
विधि. It's विधि.
मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया है.
कर सकती है.
Shut up. Anyways, who's most likely to get played but still go back?
I think none of us.
No,
Or maybe-
मतलब but yeah, still get played. Played is not the right word.
I mean,
But go back is the right word.
Still go back is the right word. Who's most likely to lie about being busy? I think none of. अच्छा ये okay,
Yeah,
ठीक है.
he-
मैं तो none
sometimes
of us
I
बोल-
just want alone time and I say कि I am busy. Please, I will contact to you in a while. Huh?
Okay. Okay, next is who's most likely to start drama in the group chat?
Just for the fun, he would do it.
The
Just
tea.
yeah.
Just for the tea. यही हमेशा हमें बहुत सारी टीज देता है.
ठीक है, I have tea तो मैं देता हूँ.
Yeah, he has tea. इसकी लाइफ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. हम लोगों की बहुत बोरिंग है
अभी
actually.
400 रुपये बचवाए इनके.
Oh yeah, that's a story for another day. Who's most likely to make the first move? I would never make the first.
Same, I would never.
I am the guy. I should sometimes make first move. Sometimes.
It would take me an eternity to make the first.
Who's most likely to break the world record in eating?
Vidhi.
Vidhi.
Definitely Vidhi.
No competition.
Thank you. Who's most likely to say what did I miss after 300 messages?
Me.
ये
Give me the summary.
ये कभी मैसेजेस नहीं पढ़ता. हम पागलों की तरह लिख रहे होते हैं और ये कभी मैसेज नहीं पढ़ता. हमें एंड में इसको बताना होता है कि ये बात हुई है. सो और ये बहुत ही इरिटेटिंग हैबिट है. इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग टू बी प्राउड अबाउट.
तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट याद रहना चाहिए ना. अगर किसी ने समरी मांगी तो एटलीस्ट तुम दे तो पाओ.
बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट, who's most likely to say something stupid on a first date?
Definitely Vidhi. And we'll laugh.
Is she getting dates?
I don't know.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Okay, next question is, who's most likely to cry during a movie? I am not a crier.
I can
None
cry.
of us.
If the I can.
पत्थर लग गया यार मेरे ऐस पे.
I'll take it on me. I'll cry.
Okay, who's most likely to book a last minute trip? I can't. I hate traveling.
No.
I love traveling. I can do that.
या मुझे तो मोशन सिकनेस है. मुझे हर जगह उल्टी आ जाती है. नेक्स्ट, who's most likely to get hangry and deny it? Hangry means angry in hunger.
That's definitely Vidhi. बिना खाने के सरवाइव नहीं कर सकती है
बिना खाने
लड़की.
के मैं hungry हो जाती हूँ.
मूड स्विंग्स आ जाएंगे बिना खाने के.
Who's most likely to strike up a convo with a stranger?
Me.
ये अभी करके भी आया है बाद.
हाँ, correct.
हाँ पैसे के लिए करके आया हूँ. टू बी क्लियरिफाई. भाई गलत चीज दी थी उन्होंने.
Who's most likely to spend all their money on something silly?
Definitely me. Not me.
F1 के Legos.
ठीक है, something silly. Who's most likely to accidentally set the kitchen on fire while cooking? You?
I did that.
Him only.
Okay, मैं तो किचन में ज़्यादा जाती नहीं. Who's most likely to get a tattoo they regret?
मैं तो never.
I think.
No.
मम्मी मारेंगी टैटू करवा लिया तो.
Who's most likely to order the most expensive thing on the menu?
Vidhi.
Me?
For sure.
Okay.
Just because इसको किसी ने recommend करा है.
Yeah, तो मैं ट्राई ज़रूर करूँगी. Who's most likely to spend all day watching Netflix?
No, not me.
Me.
Me as well.
भैया
I would
क्या
rather
करोगे
play.
तुम? सैटरडे संडे चिल करने के लिए नेटफ्लिक्स ही देखोगे.
बिल्कुल.
बाहर तो निकलते नहीं हो.
Who's most likely to move into a haunted house? Definitely me. I love everything horror and haunted. Who's most likely to become the next president?
It's me. It's me. I'll run for president.
Delulu. Who's most likely to forget where they put their keys?
Me.
No, not me.
You?
Always.
Always? Okay.
साथ
मैं भी
में
इतनी
उनको
clumsy
चाहता
नहीं. ये है, okay. Who's most likely to be a morning person? Not me at all. I think it's Yash.
It's only Yash.
आजकल नहीं उठ पाता. पहले तो उठ जाता था.
But it's only
हाँ
Yash.
यार.
It's only
I
Yash.
can pull off. ये तो 3 दिन में तक जाग रहे होते हैं भाई.
5 बजे तक. To be very
Owls
honest.
है भाई. हम नाइट
रात
आउल्स
को
हैं.
मैसेज करो, इनका रिप्लाई जल्दी आएगा rather than दिन के 2-3 बजे.
Who's most likely to learn a musical instrument?
Me. I know guitar. I know harmonica. Somewhere I know piano. So yeah, it's me.
Amazing. Who's most likely to marry someone famous and rich?
Vidhi.
Vidhi.
Thank you.
It's so Vidhi.
This is so weird. Who's most likely to take a selfie? That is always me.
मैं तो पूरा ही नहीं आता.
Who's most likely to kill a spider?
I can also kill.
यार आप लोग जानवरों को क्यों मार रहे हो?
Oh yeah.
Please.
Anna.
Who's most likely to respond to texts a month later?
Me. That's me. अभी पड़े होंगे.
After Serena.
After Sarina, yes. Sarina को भी तो हम भूल नहीं रहे. तू भी है इस गेम में बेटा हमारे साथ. Who's most likely to believe in astrology? I don't believe in astrology.
I do believe in tarot sometimes.
Okay, but not.
And they worked for me.
Okay.
ठीक है. मेरा था कि मेरी जॉब वॉब का टाइम एक सर्टेन टाइम आएगा तो वो सर्टेन टाइम के बाद ही आया. तो somewhere they are, but not fully, but somewhere they are.
मेरा भी पूछ.
मेरा भी पूछ लियो यार. Who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Vidhi.
I don't think Vidhi would.
For sure Vidhi.
I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता.
Mathematics.
Debatable.
Debatable. Who's most likely to take food from someone else's plate? None of us. हम इतने भी बदतमीज नहीं हैं.
नहीं. छीनने वाला काम नहीं करते भाई.
Who's most likely to become a stand-up comedian?
None of us.
I'll take up that. I'll take that up someday.
How can Yash be a stand-up comedian out of all the people?
Because I'm always standing.
ये jokes मारेगा ये. Who's most likely to fall in love at first sight?
Yes. Maybe.
But मेरी साइड पे आता ही कोई नहीं.
लंबा इतना
मैं
है.
कहाँ से आ गया इसमें?
इसके साइड पर कुछ नहीं होता.
मेरे ऊपर सिर्फ वो दिखते हैं. वो क्या कहते हैं? आसमान. बंदा तो दिखता ही नहीं.
Who's most likely to bring snacks for everyone?
None of us.
Do you guys remember I brought
मैं बोलने
snacks
वाला था
for
coleslaw sandwich at सुंदर
हाँ,
नर्सरी
मैं लेकर आई थी इन लोगों के लिए।
बोल दिया
गंदा आदमी।
तो हमने चिप्स खरीदे थे यार। खाए
बट
तो
मैं
सबने
घर
end
से
में
बनाकर
chips
लेकर आई थी।
सरीना ऑल्सो
खाए तो सबने end में
खाने
chips
पीने वाली चीज में सरीना
10 रुपए की चिप्स में जो मजा आया था वो सैंडविच में कहा है।
Wow. Okay, so I think that is all. Thank you so much. Nahi. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will come with more such videos on another day. Bye bye. बंद कर दे यार.